In these problems, we're working on writing decimals and fractions as percents. And the rule, when you have a decimal and you want to turn it into a percent, is that you move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So 1, 2. So the decimal point would come just after the 4. So that's just the number 4. So 0.04 is actually 4%. And if you think about it, what per cent means? Cent means 100, just like there are 100 cents or 100 pennies in a dollar. So per 100, this 0.04, here's the 10th place, here's the 100th place. This is 4 100ths. So how many 4 100ths per 100? Well, 4. All right, let's look at another one. What is 2 100ths as a percent? Now, if you know that percent means per 100, you have 2 per 100, or 2 100ths. So this is really going to be 2%. But if you didn't know that, if you weren't sure, you could convert this to a decimal. You would take 2, divide it by 100. On your calculator, you'd find that's 0.02. Then you'd move your decimal point 2 places to the right, and you would get 2%. All right, let's look at this next one. What is 1/10 as a percent? Now, we don't have a number out of 100. So let's go ahead and convert this into a decimal. 1 divided by 10 is 0.1. And if we move the decimal place 2 places to the right, I can go 1, and then what do I do next? It seems like I'm running out of space here. So the decimal point's got to end up there. I fill in with a 0. So from 0.1, we actually get the number 10. So this is 10%. All right, let's look at one more. This one's a little trickier. It says, of the 48 students who took the test, 12 earned A's. What percent of the students earned A's? So out of this word problem, you need to get a fraction first. Then we can convert that fraction to a decimal. Then we can move the decimal point 2 places to the right and get our percent. So of 48, 12 earned A's. So 12 out of 48 earned A's. So that's our fraction. When you punch that in on your calculator, divide 12 by 48, what you get is 0.25. And then when you move the decimal point 2 places to the right, you get 25%. So that's a little bit of work with converting decimals and fractions to percents. My name is Larry. I'm a teacher at EdVisions off campus. It's an online project-based school in Minnesota. If you're interested, you can check us out on the web at lovethisSchool.org. Thanks.